suicidal, yeah, I want my fucking life. No one teach me how to breathe, so I try to teach myself. But I try to ask how was it good? But she was suicidal, so she told me get away. I don't know what it is, 'cause I'll give away. And I know if I can see this.